To use Apple Pay at Starbucks in 2025, you will need to have a compatible Apple device such as an iPhone or an Apple Watch. First, make sure your device is updated to the latest version of the operating system. Next, open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign to add a new card. Select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card, and follow the prompts to enter your card information. Once your card is added to the Wallet app, you can use it to make payments at Starbucks. To do this, open the Wallet app and select the card you want to use. Hold your device near the contactless reader at the Starbucks register and authenticate the payment. With Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, you will know the payment is complete when you feel a vibration and see a confirmation on your device. You can also use Apple Pay with the Starbucks app to order and pay for your drinks and food. To do this, open the Starbucks app and select the items you want to order. When you are ready to pay, select Apple Pay as your payment method and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You can also use Apple Pay to reload your Starbucks card or to purchase a gift card. In addition to using Apple Pay at the register, you can also use it with the Starbucks mobile order and pay feature. This allows you to order and pay for your items ahead of time and pick them up at the store without having to wait in line. To use this feature, open the Starbucks app and select the items you want to order. When you are ready to pay, select Apple Pay as your payment method and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. To get the most out of using Apple Pay at Starbucks, make sure to take advantage of any available rewards or promotions. You can do this by linking your Starbucks rewards card to your Apple Pay account. This will allow you to earn points and rewards for your purchases and redeem them for free drinks and food. Overall, using Apple Pay at Starbucks is a convenient and easy way to make payments and earn rewards. By following these steps and taking advantage of the available features, you can make the most out of your Apple Pay experience at Starbucks.